How to display real-time network speed indicator on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to display real-time network speed indicator on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to launch Android settings. Scroll down, look for option of notification and status bar and tap to launch on it. Here you need to simply look for the option of status bar and then locate real-time network speed under status bar icons. So this options location may vary depending upon your Android device. So in this Realme Narzo 50A, we have got on this section where you simply need to turn on the button for real-time network speed, and at the top right near the Wi-Fi icon, you can easily find out real-time network speed indicator on Android device. So in this way, you can successfully display and then on display real-time network and speed indicator on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.